Hey everyone, it's Y, and welcome back to the garden. Compost is the black gold of gardening, but here's the hard truth, it's not enough anymore. Decades of conventional practices have stripped away minerals and microbial life, so even with compost, your plants might just be okay. Today I'll show you how to supercharge your soil, methods that go beyond compost to rebuild fertility faster and better. Let's start with your soil's skeleton minerals. Compost alone can't replace all the lost trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. That's where rock dust comes in. Volcanic or glacial, it restores a full spectrum of elements. Just sprinkle it over your beds or mix it into compost. A little goes a long way. Plants grown in remineralized soil are stronger, more resilient, and more nutrient-dense. Rock dust is the first step to giving your soil a complete, balanced diet. Next up, biochar, the permanent hotel for soil microbes. Made by pyrolyzing wood, biochar is porous and stable, holding nutrients and water while providing a home for beneficial microbes. Always charge it first by mixing with compost or soaking in compost tea. Biochar boosts nutrient retention, improves soil structure, and lasts for centuries. Pair it with compost for a powerhouse combo. It's a one-time upgrade that keeps your soil thriving year after year. Now, let's mimic nature by growing your own fertilizer with cover crops. Legumes like clover and vetch fix nitrogen from the air, feeding your soil for free. Chop and drop them before planting your main crops. The roots decompose, releasing nutrients right where you need them. Cover crops also break up compacted soil and feed soil life, keeping your garden healthy year-round. It's a regenerative, low-effort way to build soil health season after season. The final step. Supercharge your soil with living microbes. Brew compost tea or make fermented plant extracts for a potent biological boost. Spray or drench your plants and soil to outcompete pathogens and unlock nutrients. These living inoculants are especially powerful for reviving tired soil or helping stressed plants. Compost adds a baseline, but these teas and ferments deliver a targeted, super-concentrated dose of life. It's the dynamic layer that brings your soil ecosystem to life. So there you have it. 4 strategies to take your garden beyond compost: remineralize, add biochar, grow cover crops, and boost with living microbes for a resilient, thriving soil. Layer these methods for a self-sustaining ecosystem that gets better every year. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your own soil building tips in the comments.